Hi, Michael Gaffney. Today we're starting with a nice contemporary piece. Equisidium. They grow it along the highways of Wisconsin. I'm going to build my wall of equisidium right down the middle of my foam. Building like a fence. You know, people have bamboo in their backyard, like in Florida. Reminds me of that. So, equisidium wall, easy breezy, contemporary piece. Right down the middle of that foam. Then I'm going to base with it. Equisidium is, equus means horse, and equisidium means horsetail. That's another name for it. So I'm just going to build a wall. This is in my book, Design Star, Lessons from the New York School of Flower Design. So, all you got to do, build that fence. I'm going to double it up. And then I'm going to base. This would be great for an entryway piece. This would be great for the middle of your dining room table. I don't care if it blocks their view. Art is art for art's sake. People always say, don't block the middle of the table. I go, well, okay, I'll try not to. But if I came to somebody's house and this was on the table, I'd think, what an interesting evening I'm in for. So there, we built our bamboo wall. Some people refer to it as bamboo. Normally I would probably add a little bit more, but for today, it's an all-around design, but I'm going to do one side just so you can see where we're going, and then normally I would fill in the other side. I'm going to fill it in with pincushion protea at the base, and also leucadendrum, it's called. Prop that up using that. Very short stem, just pop it in. And then I'm going to do my leucadendrum. Again, very short stem. Fill it in. How easy could this be? It's not hard at all. Just pop it like a pincushion. And I'll put a little in back. I'm not going to fill it all the way in today. I want to get as much information as I can into Flower School 101. If you want to learn how to do more, come to class. You're going to use these leaves parts. Don't throw them away. Use them. They'll help block it. I'm using it to block in my equisidium. A little in back. Like that. Or it could be a one-sided piece, I guess, if it's going to be eventually. You could leave the back side just with green. So we're going to spin around and show you where we're going so far. You could also add some bear grass, maybe. Looping around. Put it on one side, and we'll run it through and wrap it into our stems, and we'll hold it down like that. And for a contemporary vibe, you can't beat it. 3 minutes. Flower School 101.com.